You ready?
Ready to go.
Let's go.
Seatbelts on, ready for takeoff. Pilot Marco Mango is back on board today. It's only about a 4-hour flight. Maybe 1 or 2 stopovers. Looks like to be a lovely day, everyone, so please sit tight.
We just stopped off at this little cherry place and look at all this stuff. And we put our pin here because this is where we're flying. That is so cute, isn't it? We're literally in like the middle of nowhere. I want to pick a straw. There's even some cherries in here.
Yep, man.
You didn't, they were already in there, I saw them. So we just had a stop off at IHOP, which is a pancake place which Michael's like obsessed with. I didn't really feel like pancakes, so I got like this dirty fried chicken. It was good, but it was filthy. It's sitting in my guts. And like broccoli, I'll insert a photo. And Michael ordered a milkshake and pancakes.
You're so shit about life. I'm literally so depressed.
Why?
Like shit. I ate so bad. I had like a 3,000 calorie thick milkshake. I also had like 5 pancakes, which were massive.
Huge. I'm not
kidding. Insert a photo of the size there.
You want pancakes? You got pancakes. Now eat it.
I'm so full.
Eat it, Michael. He has just scoffed the big milkshake.
Donut is
Michael,
so
don't eat in public.
Donut is so full.
Eat it. You fucking eat it, bro.
I ate so shit. It's really down and stuff. I ate so shit. I feel so bad.
Do you want a chewy?
No. Stop chewing. Just eating. You just eat so much food. I wonder why I've gotten so big. You just keep eating. I've got a sore jaw for 3 weeks. I haven't stopped. You can't go like 15 minutes without chewing. Some weird shit. Anyway, we've got about 100 kilometres. 105 kilometres till we get to San Fran. Freeways are pretty hectic, but
they're busy.
We're getting there. So estimated arrival time will be 12:30. So.
In 300 metres, the destination is on your left.
Yes.
Hotel Zoe Fisherman's Wharf.
We just got to San Fran and that was really awkward.
Oh, I don't want to talk about it.
But quickly, I'll just show you our room. It's really nice. Very nice. Chosen by yours truly. So what happened was we get to San Fran and we don't know where to go and the roads are just a bit intense. And then we see our hotel and we're like, cool. And then we're like, wait, you'll probably have to pay for parking. So we went across the road and then the guy's like, you have to pay $25. It's like an open parking lot. And then we're like, okay. And then long story short, we wanted to go check how much parking was here. And then they're like $65 a night plus tax. And we're like, and then we're like, and then Michael ran across the road and then he starts yelling at Michael. What did he say?
He's like, what are you doing? You haven't paid parking. Get in your car and go. Yeah. And I'm like, off, mate. I need to go check something. He didn't want to bar me.
It was so rude. And then we went to another car park where he told us to go. And then we get up there and we're like, this is like it's like really close, but it's like 4 minutes drive. And we're like, oh my God, we're gonna have to do all our bags, bring all our bags down. So we come back here and we like go to like a little driveway, like valet sort of thing for our car. And then the guy like takes the keys and we're like, no, we don't want valet. Like we just want to like get our bags out. He takes our car. And then we like get it out and then he like brings our bags and it's so awkward so we have to tip him now. And then I'm like, Michael, tip him. And then we didn't have any money and then we had to find money and then we gave him all these scrunched up $1. It was so awkward. Anyway, long story short, we're doing the parking here for like $40 a night because everywhere else is 30. And then I left like my camera case in the bag, just like in the valet area for like 1 minute while we were checking in. And he's like, you have to be really careful around here. There's heaps of break-ins, blah, blah, blah. And then we were like, oh, okay, oh my God, we're gonna stay here. But it was like so awkward.
Yeah. It's just
But we're here now, so.
we're chilling this way.
So we're on our way to San Fran. I mean, to Chinatown.
And I still can't get my name right. Mango. Oh my God. Every place, Marco or Mango. Anyway, I gave a homeless guy 3 whole punnets of raspberries.
Those berries that you saw about 2 minutes ago, Michael gave them to him.
And the guy was like, thanks man. He's like, yeah, so good, thank you. And then his little fluffy dog, we'll post a photo there.
I don't have a photo.
We'll find one. It was the dirtiest dog, tried to maul me. And I was running back like this, I was like, oh shit. So anyway, good being for the trip, so see you in Chinatown. Feel lucky today.
We're in Chinatown and I found this place on Google. It's really highly reviewed, but turnaround isn't so high, so
That carpet though.
so we shall see. I have high hopes, I do. It's hot.
The calm before the storm. This could be torture. Let me get close into them. These big donuts. When it just goes flop.
Undecided. I have apologized to Michael for this, just so you know. Let's try this. Can confirm we'll be eating a second dinner at a different place.
Thank you for taking my 25 US.
Not even Charlie would eat that. 30! So this place that we're on our way to now is actually somewhere that has really good reviews. So we're on our way there. Praying that it's a little bit better. It does close in 20 minutes. It's more of like a bakery sort of thing, but the reviews are good. But then again, so were the reviews of that place.
Anyway,
We'll see you there.
that's San Fran Hill though. Just one. One shima.
Oh. Someone's hungry.
This one.
Okay, I didn't realise the shop would look like that, so Michael is forcing me to eat this, but I'll do it.
What is it, Mills?
Shumai.
You're gonna eat the whole thing out of
The
that?
lady went nuts at Michael. We asked for one, she gave us 3, and we're like 1, and she threw it, and then she started yelling at Michael.
Give the sniff. Was in that dirty bag. Come, Millsy. Shumai.
Oh, it's good as. I swear. Yum, do you want a bite?
You talk shit.
I swear. We also got a pork bun.
You having the big one?
No, I'm not. Bad.
You're having the big one, Millie?
No, I'm not, Michael. You are. You're hungry.
I'm not hungry. You are. Nice? That's dirty.
Undecided. Now a custard bun. Good?
That's nice. Nothing to rave about.
Extraordinary.
Doughy.
I'm sorry. I really owe you.
Yeah, no good meal, sorry.
Damn it.
Alrighty, so we have just finished Lombard Street, is it?
We walked up Lombard Street and it took so long. And then we went on the cable cars, which was like overrated as.
And they're not like Melbourne.
Nothing we
so
haven't
whoever
seen
said
before.
that, it's awkward.
Yeah, Mum, you said that they are from Melbourne. I'm pretty sure they're not.
Yeah, they're like really old and...
And the people in San Francisco are so rude, and I'm
Very
over
rude.
it. And I swear if one more person is rude to me, they'd better watch it.
Yeah, so now we're heading off to lunch. Harry Roberts has picked this place, so we're gonna go there, one of my mates.
This is so dry.
Which is really nice near the pier. And then we're gonna head to Pier 33 to board the ferry.
Alcatraz.
To Alcatraz, baby.
Mike, what did you think of that lunch?
For the price, extremely shit.
Yeah. It cost, how much? It cost
65 Aussie each for 2 mains and 1 entree of fried.
And it was fried shit. So
very expensive this place, and 1 churros cost me 10 Aussie dollars for 1.
Yeah, and it tastes like shit.
It tastes like shit.
But apparently, according to everyone, America's so cheap. So cheap. I'm pretty sure it's the most expensive place we've ever been to. So.
Yeah. I think we found a way out. Come on guys, let's go. Let's go over here.
Sorry, that food we ate before Alcatraz was the worst thing I've ever eaten. Nah, it wasn't, but it was so bad.
So much food here. When it doesn't go down, it just sits in your guts all day. We've had 1 meal all day,
Like,
and I'm not even that hungry.
the food here is either really good or it's really bad.
Yeah.
And I'm not spending $65 a head on shit fried food. So we're getting Chipotle for dinner, which is like a fast food here, like a burrito sort of
Mexican.
DIY burrito. So that's how it's gonna be. But I'm excited, it's gonna be good.
Yeah, but that's what.